When you look at him, what do you find? In the next 2 years, he was Khalifa for 4.5 years. In the next 2 years, he wanted to maintain that you've all tried to remove me from my seat. And you think I'm going to change my principles? Watch. I'm going to build the most just government in the history of the religion of Islam. I'm going to show you what justice is. I'm going to show you how to administer justice. I'm going to show you what morals are, what honor is, what dignity. Keep attacking me, you will never make me change my position. You'll see Ali ibn Abi Talib remains dignified in the face of adversity. When did it begin? Straight after Nahrawan. As soon as he finished from Nahrawan, he was going out one day and he came near this house. When he came out and he saw this lady, she was stirring a bowl of hot water. He came to her, he said to her, "Excuse me, what are you doing?" She said, "Oh, I'm just stirring this bowl." He said, "Why?" She said, "I'm trying to pretend to my children that they're going to have a meal tonight. But they're not going to have one." He said, "Why?" She said, "My husband and my sons died in a war. And all of it is because of Ali, son of Abu Talib." He said to her, "Yes?" She said, "Yes, that Khalifa takes our children to war. My children went to Nahrawan. My husband went to Nahrawan. And Ali ibn Abi Talib, instead of looking after them, he comes back alive. And my children are now orphans. May God curse the son of Abu Talib." He looked at her and he said, "May God curse him?" She said, "Yes, if I were to ever see him one day, I would tell him, may God curse him for what he's done." He said to her, "So how do you feed your children now that you've lost your husband and your brothers?" She said, "I don't really have a way of feeding them. It's very difficult. I'm an old lady. These are young grandkids which are sitting around me. My daughter lives with her own family and her in-laws." So he said to her, "Do you mind if I help you?" She said, "What do you mean?" He said, "If there's any way that maybe I can carry the dough for the bread, I'll come in every morning. I'll help you." She said, "Oh stranger, I do not know you. And I've never met you. I thank you for the suggestion. But I'd prefer if you stay outside. You are of no need here." He said to her, "It would be my honor. You are a lady and a mother of orphans and a grandmother. Allow me to come every morning. Let me come and serve you. And then I will leave." She looked at him and she said, "The country needs more people like you. What a dignified man you are." Subhanallah. Every morning Ali ibn Abi Talib would come and he carries the bread and the dough and they make the bread, and in the evening he'd leave to go home. And the evening he'd go back home, he'd come back the next day, help her. And she'd keep telling him, "Oh man, is there a way I can repay you?" He said to her, "No, just pray to Allah to forgive me for everything that's been done." She would look and look until one day Imam was leaving, her daughter was coming home from the in-laws. When the daughter was coming home, she looked, she saw Ali ibn Abi Talib just walked past. Ali ibn Abi Talib, Khalifa of the Muslim state, victorious at Badr, victorious at Uhud, Khaybar, Khandaq, Hunayn, Jamal, every war, still undefeated by anyone. Turned around, said, "What's going on?" She came, said, "Mom?" Said, "Yes." She said, "Mom, did you see who just left home?" She said, "What a gracious man that young man, that man is." He said, "What do you mean? You don't know who he is?" She said, "I don't know, I've never asked him for his name. He comes every morning. He looks after the kids until the kids are satisfied with what he's cooked. Then he goes home to his family." She said, "Mom, you still haven't figured out who this is?" He said, "No." He said, "That's Ali, son of Abu Talib, the Khalifa." She said, "What?" He said, "That's Ali ibn Abi Talib." She said, "That's Ali ibn Abi Talib?" He said, "Yes." He said, "I cannot believe this. I've been cursing Ali ibn Abi Talib ever since Nahrawan, and now he comes home and serves me?" You found the turnaround. She went running to Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib. She said, "Oh son of Abu Talib, I beg you forgive me. I was cursing you, but I didn't know who you were. The rumors about you led me to hate you. But now I see your behavior and I see your character. I plead, will you forgive me?" You know what he turns around and says to her? Any other dictator would have turned around and said, "Move." He turns around and says, "I beg you, pray to Allah to forgive me for anything in which way I've hurt you."